One side of a rectangle is 8 centimeters and the diagonal is 10 centimeters. What is the area of the rectangle? In this rectangle, we are not given length and breadth. Knowing fully well that area of the triangle is length times breadth. Well, how do we do it? They say one side of a rectangle is 8 centimeters. So let's draw a rectangle now. This is a rectangle. We are told that one side is 8 centimeters. So let's call this side 8 centimeters. After that, they now say that the diagonal is 10 centimeters. What is the area of the rectangle? Now, this is the diagonal. Diagonal is from one side, one angle to the other. We are told that diagonal is 10 centimeters. And we know fully well that area of a triangle is equal to length times breadth. We are given either the length or breadth, we don't know. But we are given the length, we are not given the height. Even if this is the breadth, no length was given. So what do we do now? What we can do is to call this place unknown. Let's call it x. Now this is angle 90. So we can carve out this as a right-angled triangle. So this side will be 8 centimeters. So this side will be x, and this will become the hypotenuse now. Pythagorean theorem says hypotenuse square is equal to adjacent square plus the other adjacent squared. So how do you do about that? So we have to now say, since Pythagorean theorem says hypotenuse squared is equal to adjacent squared plus another adjacent squared. Now, these are the adjacent sides. This is the hypotenuse. So we have 10 squared is equal to 8 squared. And the other adjacent side is x. So x squared. So from there, we can now have 10 squared will be 100. So we have 100 because we can use that method as easy as possible. So you have 100, okay, is equal to 8 squared. That's 64 plus x squared. Now, 100 minus 64 is equal to x squared. So when we minus it, we are going to get 36 is equal to x squared. Now, find square root of both sides. So finding the square root of both sides, what we have now is 36. Square root of 36 will be 6 is equal to x. So therefore our x is equal to 6. The unit should be centimeters. After getting that, we can now come back to this diagram and see this side is equal to 6. So now we now know the length and the breadth. So for us now, we can now calculate the area, whereby our area will be length times breadth. And the length is 8 centimeters, whereby the breadth is 6 centimeters. So now A is equal to 8 times 6, that will be 48 centimeters squared. So checking through that, it means 48 centimeters squared. It means B is the correct answer in this option. Thank you. Subscribe to this channel for more of this physics, chemistry, and mathematics. Thank you and God bless.